Consignments and Masterpiece are a very powerful part of their program, but very easy to do. And quite honestly, it's one of the top reasons why a gallery would choose a program like Masterpiece. Let me open up this item called the Office Party. I have to hit Show Cost because it's hidden just in case somebody's looking behind your shoulder. But once you select it, notice how some fields appear. This piece is on sale for $3,500 and it's on 50% consignment. So that means that when this piece sells, the vendor, in this case Jan Harrison, will get 50% of $3,500 or $1,750. If I was to change the 50 to a 40, Masterpiece would automatically update the cost for me, or I can update the cost and it would update the percentage for me. Let me change this back to 50% for simplicity's sake. Now Masterpiece automatically defaults to 50%, but you also have a little bit of control over that. So let's say that you have a vendor who you normally pay 60% of consignment to. You can set that in the contact record and Masterpiece will automatically calculate 60% instead of 50%. But no matter what it defaults to, you can always manually change that. So the first thing you want to do is go to your administration, go to company, purchase, and then check out your consignment calculations. Masterpiece defaults to artist is paid percentage of payment, which means if you do layaways or installments, Masterpiece will calculate a percentage of payment to the vendor every time you get paid. If you do not do layaways or installments, then you may want to change this to artist is paid after final payment. So whatever you select though, Masterpiece will calculate accordingly. So let me go ahead and sell this item real quick and show you how the consignments work. So I'm going to go to the sales order screen. I'm going to click on add, and I'm going to add the Office Party. Notice how when I select the item, all the information comes in, and now what I can do is put in a discount. So let's say that I'm going to give the customer a discount of 10%. So when I type in 10, Masterpiece automatically calculates the price now from the price was. Now from here, you can choose to eat that discount, or if you want the vendor to share the discount with you. So if you were to put in 10% under the vendor discount field, Masterpiece will calculate 50% or 10% off of the 50% and then tell you how much you owe your vendor. If you're going to give the vendor the full amount of the consignment, leave this at blank at $0. So I'm going to go ahead and just not give any discount at all, again for simplicity's sake, and then I'm going to hit save. So my client information is in there, my detail information is in there, and then let's go ahead and just pay this in full. So I'm going to do the full amount with tax in cash, and then I'm going to save and close. So now I'm going to run a consignment report. I'm going to go to reports, and then sales, and then consignment report. Now the concept of the consignment report is that you can generate once a day, once a week, once a month, whenever you do consignments. So there's only one date, which is the through date. Let me clear consignments here. I'm going to have it default to April 2nd, and what it's going to do is it's going to calculate consignments from the last time I recorded to today. So if I generate consignments today and then record it, then it'll be Masterpiece will think that all consignments are paid up to today, and the next time you do transactions, it will calculate accordingly. You can also do a specific vendor or all vendors. I'm just going to hit Generate Consignments to do everybody, and then I'm going to hit Preview to see the report. Now it looks like I have two items here, but here's the one that I just did, which is the Office Party. So this is saying that I owe Jan Harrison $1,750 for the Office Party. Now I can print this off and give it to the vendor with the check. After I pay the vendor, then I'll just hit the Record Payments button, and that would tell Masterpiece that they've been paid. Now if you hit the Record Payments button, it's not final. You can always hit the Review Past Recorded Payments, which I'll do now, and you can see here that I recorded a batch on March 7th. Now if you need to somehow or for some reason go ahead and unrecord that, you'll just click on the batch that you recorded, hit Unrecord Batch, and those items will go back into the queue to get recorded again, and then you can just go ahead and record them again. And that's the gist of consignment reports.